Apart from an atmosphere of friendship among officers and men of the Cross River State Command of the Nigeria Immigration Service, the gathering was also a time to unwind for family, friends, and officers of the men of sister organizations. At such a gathering, the Comptroller Nigeria Immigration Service, Cross River State Command, deems it fit to honor various officers serving and retired for their outstanding services.
I feel we should tell them, hey, we are with you, we are your brothers, we work together. We all work for the same service, the same government and all that. When you retire, you don't get tired. You don't allow yourself to get tired. Because when you get tired, that's the end of it.
The service is a very interesting one. In this service, you certainly have opportunity of getting outside your home.
In the spirit of the season, which involves merriment, comedy, and cultural display, are common sights. The Nigeria Immigration Service, as part of its responsibilities, issues residence permits to foreigners in Nigeria as well as control persons entering and leaving Nigeria. In Calabar, Cecilia Ititum, NTA News.